Hello everyone, myself Abhijit. I am an engineering student from Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore. Today I am here to deliver my ideas about how to stop the spread of coronavirus using mobile app. First of all, I would like to thank our respected Professor Somin Mukherjee, due to whom I got this opportunity. So let me tell you what exactly this app is all about. For sure, this app will help to reduce the spread of coronavirus by using the method of tracking people who are affected with this deadly virus. CovidSafe app is completely voluntary. Downloading this app is nothing but you're helping yourself, your family members, your friends, and millions of people from getting affected. And you're also saving the lives of thousands of people. More the people connected to the app, it is easier to track the people and stop the spread of coronavirus. So the next slide is all about how to download this app. The CovidSafe app is available on both Play Store and App Store. The app will ask you some basic information like your name, mobile number, postcode and some documents. For the confirmation that the app is active, you will receive confirmation message. So what does CovidSafe app does? For CovidSafe to work, it must be running in the background on your phone. You can use other apps at the same time. CovidSafe uses Bluetooth to look for other devices that have the app installed. It takes a note of contact when it occurs through a digital handshake. It securely logs the other user's encrypted reference code and date, time, Bluetooth, signal strength and the proximity of the contact on the user's phone and notes the phone's model. The information then securely encrypted and stored on the phone. CovidSafe does not record your location. CovidSafe stores the contact on the phone for 21 days. This allows for the 14 days incubation period of the coronavirus, plus the time taken to confirm positive test result. The rolling 21-day window allows CovidSafe to continuously note only those contacts that occur during coronavirus incubation window. It automatically deletes contacts older than 21 days. Nobody can access the encrypted information on your phone, including you. The work of CovidSafe app. If you test positive for COVID-19, the state or health official will ask you to consent to upload your digital handshake information to the National CovidSafe data store. If a child tests positive, the health official will ask child's parent about the consent. The uploaded information enables the state and health official to call close contact and advise them what to do. Health official will not name the person who was infected. Your information and privacy are strictly protected. So the next slide is all about benefits of CovidSafe app. Downloading and using CovidSafe is voluntary. The app has a range of privacy and security safeguards built in. It uses secure encryption and does not collect data on your location. On 14th May 2020, Parliament passed the Privacy Amendment Public Health Contact Information Act to support the CovidSafe app and ensures users' privacy is protected. Contact tracing is one of many tools that has been used successfully to defeat COVID-19 in multiple countries. This has been achieved through manual contact tracing systems in some instances and automated technology in others. It is important to note that strong contact tracing capability is the component of what should be a. The primary goal of contact tracing is half further transmission of the virus when a case is. Identified contact tracing has two purposes: to identify close contacts tracing and to identify potential sources of infection.